So, in this video, we are going to cover what is the meaning of MGNREGA, features of MGNREGA, objectives of MGNREGA, applications of MGNREGA, impact on income livelihood, limitation of MGNREGA, and measures to improve MGNREGA, and at the last, conclusion. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act is an Indian law introduced on 5 September 2005 that aims to guarantee the right to work and ensure livelihood security in rural areas by providing at least 100 days of guaranteed wage employment in a financial year to every household. Features of MGNREGA. Employment will be given within 15 days of application for work. At least one-third beneficiaries shall be women who have registered and requested work under this scheme. Wages are to be paid according to piece rate or daily rate. Disbursement of wages has to be done on weekly basis and not beyond a fortnight in any case. Objectives of MGNREGA. Though the process of providing employment and work that address causes of chronic poverty, that is drought, deforestation, the Act seeks to strengthen the natural resources base of rural livelihood. A strong social safety net for vulnerable groups by providing a fallback employment source when other employment alternatives are scarce or inadequate. New ways of doing business as a model of governance reform anchored on the principles of transparency and grassroots democracy. Applications of MGNREGA. Adult member of a rural household willing to do unskilled manual work may apply for registration in writing or orally to a local Gram Panchayat. After verification by Gram Panchayat, they issue a job card which bears the photograph of all the adult members of household. Job card should be issued within 15 days of application. Job card holder may submit a written application for employment to the Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat will issue a receipt of the written application which gives guaranteed job within 15 days. If job is not given within 15 days, then daily unemployment allowance as per the Act has to be paid. Impact on income livelihood. Employment peaked in 2009 and 2010 with more than 2.8 million person days, 2.2 million in 2013-14 and 1.9 billion in 2015-16. Expenditure rupees 35,868 crores in 2014-15, 0.29% of GDP. Expenditure spent since 2006 and 7 on wages more than 2 lakh crores till 2014-15. In spite of some leakages, studies shows a positive impact of this transfer on household income, food security, and health of HHS, that is Health and Human Services. Limitations of MGNREGA. Registration problem in terms of caste discrimination. Another issue is that of fake muster rolls and bills being generated, delay in appointment of officials in our villages, illegal charges levied on people for application forms, inadequate number of officials for this scheme. Measures to improve MGNREGA. The project must be decided on the basis of suggestion given by local people. Instead of 100 days of work as per household, it should provide 100 days of work per adult individual. In some states where the program has been a great failure till now, the center can take the responsibility of implementation. Emphasis should not be only on the employment generation, rather it must focus on permanent assets creation. Conclusion. MGNREGA implements as well as their maintenance are costly for worker. It costs time as well as money. It will be extremely useful if these are provided by the local villages, panchayat, and their timely maintenance is also ensured by them. My topic is finished here. Thank you.